have to say now. Really, SMH, what the hell's wrong with you?
Alright, well,
Fucking God, dude. Swear.
my friend, as a kid, every time his girlfriend don't tell him no whenever.
Shut up.
And she tells everybody else. And she don't tell him, and he's like this, like every day.
Shut up, dude. Leave me the hell alone.
I don't know what's wrong with him. I mean, I understand
It's
that.
her. She will not fucking tell me what is wrong with her. She tells everybody else, but she never tells me.
Why?
She's always sending fucking text messages saying this and that and this is bothering me. And I'm like, what is it? And she's like, nothing. Never mind. You agree with everybody else. And I'm like, oh my fucking God. Oh fucking.
We're gonna make it home
Fucking alone.
Don't just get it off.
Shut the hell up. Leave me alone.
Excuse me.
Fuck everybody. Fuck the world. Fucking bastard. It's not fucking funny.
It is.
I don't know what the fuck you're laughing about.
Not you.
Leave me alone.
I didn't nothing to you. Why?
Leave me alone.
How's your girlfriend?
I'm gonna go fucking get her phone and stick it in your fucking ass. You think it's fun? I'm gonna grab a fucking soap and stick in your fucking ears, and when you laugh, it's gonna fucking blow bubbles. Funny.
Well, I'm gonna deal with this today, all day. Pray for me. See y'all later.
Yeah, pray for like they're gonna pray for you. Wow.